Traditional medicine for hair loss usually includes masks from various vegetations like mustard, honey, garlic, onion, henna, egg yolks, and even nettles. Moreover, you may find methods that include oil therapy using olives, burdock, and even carrot. Traditional medicine for hair loss has a lot to offer. Before we go through our list of top 10 folk remedies, keep in mind that these methods are mostly for women. Men can use these methods only if they have lower levels of baldness, less than the third stage of Norwood. If your baldness exceeds this level, then you need something more potent than the folk remedies. Now, let's discuss our 10 folk remedies for hair loss. A mustard mask. You can use a mustard mask after hair wash. The mask recipe includes the following components: 2 tablespoons of dry mustard powder, half a glass of black tea decoction, and 1 yolk. Mix them and put the mask on the wet hair roots for 15 minutes. After, remove it using warm water. Be careful and try to apply less gruel. Mustard may treat hair roots, but it can damage other parts. After putting the mask on, you can use a cling film and wrap yourself in a warm towel. A salt mask. You can use table, iodized or sea salt to make a salt mask suitable for home procedures. To prepare the mask, mix 2 tablespoons of salt with water until gruel forms. If you don't want to dry your skin, add olive oil. Next, moisten hair roots with warm water and rub in the mask, massaging the scalp for 10 minutes with soft movements. You may add various supplements to the mask depending on the type of hair. For dry hair, instead of olive oil, use almond oil and 25 mg non-carbonated mineral water. Apply the mixture to the hair roots and soak for half an hour. After, wash your hair with shampoo. Do not use a balm or rinse aid. If your scalp is oily, add 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and the same amount of lemon juice to the salt. After, put on a shower cap and wrap yourself in a towel. Steamed skin absorbs more nutrients and allows them to penetrate inside hair follicles through open pores. Keep the mask for 20 minutes. For normal hair, you can add a banana. Take a medium-sized banana, mash it, and add a tablespoon of salt. Apply the mask to moistened roots, rub into the scalp for 5 minutes, then cover with a shower cap. Keep it for 20 minutes, then wash it off. If you have wounds on the scalp, apply the mask with caution. Avoid large grains and use fine salt to avoid damage. If you use salt from the Dead Sea, reduce its concentration in the mask for approximately 30%. Baking soda. Baking soda is alkaline, so use it with care, or you may damage the scalp and cause acid-base imbalance. To avoid it, you can use a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 15 drops of lemon juice or a pinch of citric acid in 20 mg of warm water. Rub the mask into the hair roots and wait 10 minutes. After, wash your hair with warm water without shampoo. You can use a soda mask only if you have normal or oily hair types. If you have dry hair, you should use moisturizing ingredients like oils. A mask from egg yolks. Beat a few egg yolks, and add a small amount of vodka or cognac. Carefully separate the yolks from the protein, or you will struggle to wash it from hair. Then, apply the mask on the scalp with soft massaging movements. Wrap your head in a towel for 20 to 25 minutes. The yolk masks are suitable for dry and brittle hair. As a result, hair becomes softer and more pleasant. Also, this recipe may treat inflamed skin and itching. Use the mask once a week. A nettle mask. Nettle leaves contain vitamins of B, C, E, and K groups, and are rich in organic acids, carotene, and phytoncides. Besides, it includes high contents of some microelements essential for hair metabolism, like calcium, potassium, sulfur, copper, and iron. Surprising as it may seem, the concentration of vitamin C in nettle is higher than in lemon. Pour nettle leaves with boiling water and allow it to cool to a temperature pleasant for your skin. After this, strain and rinse your hair slowly with this infusion. You can watch part 2 of this video to find out the rest 5 ways in traditional medicine that can cure hair loss. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to know more about hair care, subscribe to the channel.